I work at a marketing agency and these are my favourite tools that I use while I'm working. My first tool is of course Canva. Canva is my best friend at work. I use it every day. I love it so much. You can do so many things on Canva now. They've really upped their game. I use it for social media posts, brochures, PDFs, menus, prospectuses. I've used Canva for actually everything. I don't need any other kind of design app. They can do so much now. And if you want to up your Canva game, I actually have another video on this page for my favourite Canva hacks to use to make your work look more professional. The second tool is of course ChatGPT. This is an amazing platform. You probably already know about it by now, but do you know how to use it? I use it all the time for captions, to improve what I've written or to write something quick for me, and then I can just go through, read through it, improve it from there, make it sound more human, because of course it does sound like a robot has written it, but you can improve it from there and it gives you a really good foundation for copy. I also have the paid version, so this morning I used it to take some text out of an image so I didn't have to waste time writing it, and it just saves so much time. They have so many apps that do specific things and it is just amazing. The third tool is flipbookpdf.net. So this is an amazing platform for making your PDF designs into a book that you can flip through. I use this one specifically because it is free. A lot of the other ones online are paid, or you have to do a free trial and then pay afterwards. But this one is super easy and I only really use it to look at designs before we print them. So this is just one of the previous designs that I've done for a client. This was also designed on Canva in case you were wondering. And then of course we can just flip through the book and have a look at it, especially for things like double spreads like this, so you can see how well they line up and what they look like. And yeah. My final tool is Answer the Public. So this is a platform that allows you to find what people are searching for the most. With a free account you get 3 searches free a day. So I've just searched marketing here. It gives you this really cool wheel, and these colors, the brighter they are, the more it's frequently searched. So you can see here, like a common one is what marketing job is like. So that gives me an idea for this account where maybe I could do a day in the life video about what it's like to work at a marketing job. And it just gives you some really good ideas that you can use for social media, EDMs, or really anything that you need some kind of inspiration for.